Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are, VTP Stage 2 Online Technical Tuesday Coaching Call 202 for the 28th of July 2026. Hope you're well. Hope you have had a good start to the week, and I hope you're ready for what is going to be a pretty full-on and interesting week ahead for traders, regardless of what you look to focus on with your own trading. As always, you are very welcome here. Just remember that you're always responsible for your own trading decisions. And if you want a little bit of help, okay, the Q3 VTP Trader Accountability Group is up and running, okay. It helps build discipline, accountability, and consistency. If you want to be around serious traders and help develop as a trader, you can join us for that. All right, let's go to our main bit. Let's have a look at dollar holler. So here we go. What are we looking at here? Bang, Aussie on the 4 hour, Euro on the 4 hour, cable on the 4 hour, dollar Swiss on the 4 hour, Kiwi, dollar CAD, dollar yen, and dollar index. Okay, that's what we've got up on here. I'm just going to put them. Let me just put these onto the daily charts. Okay, so that can be a starting place so we can see what the scores on the doors are, what we're actually doing here, right? So, I've had a rather eventful morning, shall we say, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so as always, let's start with the dollar index. Weekly chart, okay, it's bullish. You know, it looks like this was a flag, a bull flag, okay. Breakthrough, come back, bull flag away. On the daily chart, looking down at that, all right. So I'd talked here about how the 20 had acted, and you've got PO20 here, okay. You're getting dynamic support off the 20 all the way until you're not. And then, but the thing is here, we got back up above it, small inside, bar, and then we, bang, powered our way high. And that is a reflection of the relief rally for the war off, or it's not even a war off, all right, kind of pause in the war, okay, that kind of fell away. And then, as I said, also running into this week with central bankers and, talk about basically the, hiking rates. That's what we're seeing there, okay. So we continue to see that kind of dollar bullishness there. If you look at that on the 4 hour chart, last week, strong, okay, and then we gapped down at the stop of the kind of conflict over the weekend. But I was talking about this yesterday, and we kind of we pitched off the 20 period moving average there, didn't we? 3-bar reversal there, okay, just a nice pin bar, and we've just worked our way high, and we're working our way back to highs here, aren't we? It's kind of interesting. We've got there's a bit of consumer confidence news this afternoon at 3 o'clock. Okay, naturally people will be curious, but what I was expecting was basically, well done, Paul, is basically seeing a little bit of a coil up in front of FOMC. So coil up here, Aussie dollar, bang, looking at that. Kind of on Kiwi dollar there between the sort of the 20, the 50, okay, happening there. Definitely there between the dollar and the Canadian. See it there, okay, you've got the 50, you got the 20, and the price all there, okay. And I say this all the time. When price and the moving averages come like that together, it's like trying to push two northern ends of magnets together. You push them together and they repel each other. So you would be thinking that the FOMC and perhaps some of the Mag 7 data and whatever else goes on in the geopolitical event could be the catalyst for the breakout of that. Dollar against Japanese yen, well, that is dollar strength, yen weakness, isn't it? That's what we're seeing there. Cable we'll look at in a moment, but also that is dollar, that's STAM there, okay, in terms of the dollar against the Swiss franc. Swiss franc and yen are at the bottom of the pile. Dollar strong, that's where it's working. All right, so this kind of interests me. I said this, as I said, I think this is it's interesting that dollars are all just coiling up, all right, in front of the kind of the news, or in front of FOMC. Euro dollar. See, euro dollar's kind of working its way lower, isn't it? That kind of dollar strength, a bit of euro weakness, just working its way down there. Okay, in the 4 hour chart, I was fuming with myself yesterday, having missed this. Okay, we're just working our way lower. We gapped, we popped up, we put in a real beautiful sort of kind of bullish key reversal there off the 50. Okay, that's a 4 hour 50 map. All right, with a nice bearish engulfing, bearish key reversal, and I thought, well, I'd missed it. Okay, I was busy doing stuff. I'll wait, see if there's a confirmation bar. But by the time the confirmation bar was down here, I was like, I've missed the train here. I have missed the train. That left me a bit grumpy yesterday. But anyway, woulda, coulda, shoulda. All right, the trade is down here. If you did trade that, well done, nice trade. Okay, nice take. Okay, well done, well done.